boys, come sing with me. We're going on an A to Z spree. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. The alphabet jam is super sweet. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat, meow meow meow. D is for drum, let's play it now. E is for elephant, big and strong. Let's march with Ellie all day long. A, B, C, come dance with me. D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3.
Could you believe that the video you just watched right now was generated by AI? So in this very video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own kids learning videos and make money from it. The best part is that all the tools we're going to be making use of in this very video are all 100% free of charge, okay? Because I'm going to simply show you how everything works step by step. Just head straight to this very platform. This is ChatGPT.com right here. Create your account on this platform. Then when you create your account, this is the prompt you're going to give ChatGPT, okay? So this is what I said here. Create a fun, catchy kids songs that touches the A to Z alphabet with rhymes, repetition, and engaging melodies. All right, so this is the prompt I gave it. You can customize your own. It could be 1 to 10 or 1 to 50. All right, if you want to go for numbers. All right, and ChatGPT went ahead to generate a full song for me. Okay, you can show out here. Sure, here is a fun, catchy A to Z kid alphabet songs, and under this section, this is the name of the song right here. Okay, so this is the intro, and this is how the song goes. This is the intro. This is the first one, which contains the A to E. All right, you can see A, B, C, D, E. Then they said A is for apple and a lot of that, all those rhythms. Okay, so for the chorus, this is the chorus. A, B, C, come dance with me. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, and lots more. I don't really know how the AI is going to generate that. Okay, so I'm curious to know what it's going to simply give us. Okay, and this is the outro. Okay, so once you generate your song, once you give it a prompt, it is going to simply generate a different stuff altogether for you. Okay, so if you give it this exact prompt, it is not going to generate this ABC adventure blah blah blah. For instance, if I click on copy this button and I paste this prompt again on this very page, it is going to simply generate a different song, okay, which I can also use to create another video. All right, so if you scroll down right here, you're going to see right here the song has been generated. The next thing you have to do after generating the song is to generate images for this song, okay? And the best part is to generate an image for each scene, okay, so that it won't be boring, so that people can actually watch the video. Both young and old people can watch the video, right? So what I have to do is to come over to this very section and add this prompt. Create a test prompt for generating images of the scene based on the song provided above. So add them right here, okay, and ChatGPT is going to simply generate something great for you, okay? So remember, all you need to do is simply make sure you give it a prompt to generate images of each scene. If you say generate image prompt, it is going to simply generate only one prompt, okay? Make sure you give it a prompt to generate images of each scene. Then ChatGPT responded by giving me the whole image prompt. You can see for letter A, this is the image prompt right here, a 3D cartoon style. So all we have to do is to simply copy any of these to our image generator, which we're going to simply do in this very video. So pay close attention to this very video, don't skip any part of it. All right, and if you come over to this section, these are the prompts. They are all well generated. See, from A down to Z. You can see right here from A down to Z. And after that, the next thing you have to do is to go over to the next step, which is to generate the song, okay? And the tool we're going to be using in this particular video is Suno AI, and this is the website right here. Just click on it. You can generate tons of songs for free. The best part is that the song you're generating here doesn't have any copyright issue, okay? It is just easy for you to use, and you can monetize them and make use of them, right? So long as you're offering value, you can monetize them, right? So all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and sign up on this very platform. Just click on the create button. So in this section, you can see we have the single, we have the custom. All right, just make sure you hit on this custom button. Make sure you are on this custom button, and make sure that this is turned off, okay, so that when you're generating your song, it will not only generate only instrumental and leave the lyrics, okay? We want to hear both the voice and the music, okay? Then select the version 4, which is the V4, okay? Then the next thing you have to do is simply copy the song generated by ChatGPT. Come over to this very section right here, scroll up a little bit, and this is our song intro right here. So just start from this intro. Don't bother about adding this, just start from intro right here, then highlight everything. Remember, if you highlight everything just like this, it will work perfectly for you without adding those parentheses and those star. But if you click on this copy button, it is going to simply add the stars for you, right? So I don't want adding stars to this. Okay, so come back here and you press the music right here, which is the song. Okay, so the song has been added. So I'm gonna remove this from AI, from ChatGPT rather. Okay, so delete this. It's okay right now. All you need to do is to simply cross check and make sure that everything is just okay the way you want it. And the next thing you have to do right now is simply add the style of the music or the song you want to add here. So you need to do, if you don't know the style, just go ahead and ask ChatGPT. All right, I've already provided everything for you in this very video. So this is what I asked ChatGPT: what is the style of this music? And ChatGPT wrote all these notes. Okay, then I advise it to give me just 20 words. All right, saying this is the 20 words right here. Okay, just copy from here and come over to this very page, then click on add the style here. Okay, so even the 20 word is not really okay, so I'm going to remove cheerful is also okay. The next thing you have to do right now is simply select the title. Let's go up again. We're going to simply add it right now. This is the title of the song. Come back here, paste it here, right? That is the title of the song. And the next thing you have to do right now is simply click on this create audio, all right, so that it will generate the audio for us. Just hit on it. It's gonna simply take like a few minutes to generate. It's not going to waste your time. All right, you can see right here it's coming up right here. Okay, so if you are getting value from this video, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel. If you want to be seeing more videos like this, I want you to comment more video on the comment section, so I can simply guide you on all of the free AI tools that can actually benefit you to make money online. Okay, the audios have been generated. That is the song. So I'm going to simply play each of them from here. I'm going to play this one. Okay, so that's the first one. I'm going to simply play the second one from here.
Come on kids, come sing with me. We're going on an A to spring. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. The alphabet jam is super sweet. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat, meow meow meow.
This is very much fantastic. Okay, so let's check out other songs I've already generated from this very platform. Okay, let's play other songs.
Come on kids, come sing with me. We're going on an A to Z spree.
All of these songs are all super cool. All right, we don't need to pay any studio manager, we don't need to pay for studio production again. Just come over to this very section right here and you can simply get a free artist that will sing your song. All right, so what do you think about this AI too? Do you really like it? If you like it, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel. So let's go ahead and bring it to life. Okay, so after generating your song, the next thing you have to do is simply head straight to this AI tool, which is going to simply give us the visuals. Okay, remember we got some prompt right here from ChatGPT. Just head over to this video platform, which is Leonardo AI. Come over to Leonardo right here, then make sure you sign up. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create your account. They give you free credit every single day. Okay, click on this image section, click on this button. You're going to simply select Flux Dev. Okay, just select Flux Dev, this one right here. When you select that, make sure you select 3D render. Okay, so another thing you have to simply select is the dimension, the image dimension. If you want this to go on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts, this is the dimension you can simply use. I've already selected 17:9. Come over to this very section. This is where you're going to simply add your prompt. Okay, let's go over to your ChatGPT from here. All right, so remember there are some stuff that ChatGPT gave us. Okay, so for the images, this is what we want. You have to start from the letter A. Just copy this, then come back to Leonardo, place it right here. Okay, I think I have to delete this one so I won't be confused. All right, then this is what we want. Then click on this generate button. Remember, this is the credit that they're gonna simply take from us. Okay, just click on this generate button. We're generating image. Okay, okay, so this is our image right here. Then the next one I have to do, go back, do the same for every other one. Once you're done generating all the images, make sure you select all of them and download them. Okay, so when you're done downloading all the images, the next you have to do right now is simply convert this image to a video. Okay, so there's this particular AI tool which I'm going to use in this particular video, and it is 100% for free. Okay, so I'm going to simply go over to this video one right here, which is hello. Okay, then click on this create video right here. And on this section right here, you have to simply import the image. You can see right here, image to video, we have text to video, we have a lot of that right here. I'm going to simply use the image to video. They're going to be giving you 100 credits every single day. Okay, so if you're done with this one right here, maybe tomorrow you can simply continue, or you change your Gmail account or another email. Okay, so come to this very section right here, you have to simply go ahead and select the images you downloaded. I'm going to select this one, then you have to select one after the other. Then once you upload any image, make sure you add a prompt to that. Okay, they're going to simply ask you to add a prompt. Okay, let's go over to ChatGPT and tell it to assist you. Okay, so like I've already added here prompt for the videos, right? So this is the first prompt for the A. Then copy this, just copy this the way it is right here, then come back to hello AI, paste it right here, then click on this, create. It is generating. While it is generating, then you can simply go ahead and remove it. You can delete it from here, then add another one. Let's say we want to add B. Okay, you can add B. Then B has this. B should have this prompt here. Come back here and make sure you add the B prompt here. Okay, then click on this again, and if you click on this, all of this stuff will be generated right. You can see right here we have 2 projects ongoing. Okay, after generating these videos, go ahead and download them. After downloading, then head over to your CapCut and make sure you match the videos and the audio. And with that, you're going to simply generate this video for yourself and monetize on YouTube. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. I want you to subscribe to this very channel to support this channel. Okay, share this video to your friend, and also join us in the Telegram and WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do here.
Come on, kids, come sing with me. We're going on an A to Z spree. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. The alphabet jam is super sweet. Learn. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat, meow meow meow. D is for drum, let's play it now. E is for elephant, big and strong. Let's march with Ellie.